Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Real channel. As you all know, this channel is a channel for creativity and innovation. And today we are going to show you how to configure an MTN router. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Configuring MTN router. Here are the requirements. Number one, the MTN router. Then number two, you need a network cable connected at both sides with RJ45 connector. Number three, you need a battery that will power the router. Number four, you need an adapter to charge the router or the battery. Then number five, you needed either a desktop connected to an internet or you need a laptop. In this section of this video, let us start the basic connection. Number one thing you have to do is to slot in, just like I've done by the MTN line, data line inside your router. Then the second thing you have to do is to cover it back. Then the next thing you have to do is to connect this battery to this power port. Then the next thing you have to do is to connect this adapter to the battery. Then this will be plugged to the power. The last thing you have to do, this RJ45 connector will be connected to this port, this RJ45 connector port, connected to the desktop that is connected to internet. After turning on your router, the next thing you have to do is to go to any of this search engine, either Chrome or your Microsoft Edge. Like me now, we are going to use Microsoft Edge. And the next thing you have to do is to type a default IP address written at the back of the router. And for us here, the default IP address for this MTN router is 192.168.0.1. Then click enter. Then an interface will be displayed. User's name here should be admin small letter. Then the default password is also admin. Then you click enter. It will take you directly to the interface of the router. Here we have the quick setting, we have the device setting, we have SMS, we have USSD, we have phone book, we have firewall and system setting. So you go to quick setting, you click on quick setting, it will take you there. Here I want my default, that is what people will see in the network. What name do you want them to see? What I want them to see is first floor, right? Then I'll click enable, right? It's already there. Then you click next. So what I will do is I will change the password, and I want my password to be 1 2 3 4 A B C D. For instance, this is my, so the next time I'll click next. So everything here you just apply, you click yes. Now it has successfully been applied. Okay, now if I go back now and search for this very device now in any of my system, like for instance here, if I go to my network and check for my Wi-Fi, you will see something like first floor here. So if I click continue to connect and input my password 1 2 3 4 A B C D, right? Okay, then I click, you will see automatically it will be connected to the system. You can see that our system is connected to first floor. Let's check if our system can browse with this. Let us visit YouTube and see if it can browse. Finally, it is here. Maybe let's search for construction of AHA construction of AHA lights. Okay, and click enter. Okay, you can see that is still browsing. This is my first video. For those of you who did not watch this, I will advise you to go back. The video is very educative and it's already online on the channel, on my channel called The Royal Jet. And I want to sincerely thank you for your time, and please help me like the video, subscribe and share it to your loved one. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.